So I'm here at the cafe today editing our Japan vlog from earlier this year. Pero habang chine-check ko yung mga videos, may napansin ako. Clip after clip, sa Japan man o sa UK. I was walking so fast, always ahead. And then I started wondering, why was I walking so fast? Was I trying to see everything? Capture everything? Was I actually there? Or did I forget to live in the moment itself? Maybe next time, I'll walk slower.
Guys, we missed the bus. We missed the bus papunta doon sa Gotemba Outlet. As in, andyan yung bus. We have to run, pero nakaalis na sila. So, the next bus is at 12:46. 11:46 pa lang. So, kain na lang muna tayo ng lunch. Let's go!
Oh, they weren't, do you wanna do it again? Yeah. I thought they were lined up, but they're just taking a picture.
Yeah, no, it's okay. It's okay. I wanna be in a hurry to catch the bus. You're lost. Yeah, I know. Ang ingay ni Eli. Hello. Hakone Day 3. It's already 7:50. Nakapagsalita ba ako yesterday? I'm not really sure. Pero yesterday, nagpunta lang kami sa Gotemba. Yesterday, nagpunta lang kami sa Gotemba Premium Outlet. Nag-ikot-ikot lang kami kahapon. Nakabili ako ng shoes from ASICS. And yeah, wala rin masyadong deals actually. Parang mga 10%, 20% off lang yung mga deals doon.
Compared to Canada, it's like the same price.
Yeah, it is. Totoo.
Even the Crocs.
I know. It's way more expensive pa nga eh.
Yeah.
I mean, sa Canada, we can get a deal for like, pag nag-sale sila, like 2 for $60.
You always get like, if not for 2 for $60, there's always like 15% off, 20% off.
Exactly.
But here, it's like, you have to buy, like, 1 pair is like 10% off, 2 pairs like 20% off.
Oh my God, hindi maganda yung lighting mo dyan. Bibili ako ng shoes sa Tokyo na dapat. Pero sabi ko, since we're going sa outlet, let's just get it there. I didn't get any deal. Pagpasensyahan nyo na yung itsura ko, hindi pa ako nagilamos, hindi pa ako nag-aayos. As in, kababangon lang namin. Nagpunta lang ako sa washroom to pee and then I grabbed the camera. Kasi feeling ko, for the past few days, wala ako masyadong like footages na nakuha. Pagdating namin dito, we were just like traveling the whole day. Like, from Toronto to New York, that was like 2 hours, more than 2 hours of flight. And then, meron lang kaming 1 hour na layover. So, as in, pagbaba namin ng aeroplano, nag-move lang kami ng gate, and then sumakay na agad kami ng plane from New York to Haneda. Good thing na lang, hindi puno yung aeroplano. As in, nasa window seat kasi kaming tatlo. And then, yung katapat namin na upuan, yung sa gitna, free siya. So, nag-move dun si Mauro para sa gabi, ay hindi naman sa gabi, para the entire time, pwede kami mag-switch, makatulog kami dun sa tatlong upuan. So, hindi naging ganun kahirap yung flight namin. That was just like 14 hours, almost 15 hours, I guess. Yeah, more or less, like 14 to 15 hours of flight. So, nakakatulog kami. Kumain kami sa airport, and then biyahe na kami. Actually, medyo naligaw kami pagdating namin sa Yokohama. Kasi yung JT line, papasok siya sa mall. So, hindi namin alam kung paano kami makakapunta doon. So, nagtanong ako sa student. And buti nakakapagsalita siya kahit paano ng English. So, hindi niya siguro sa akin ma-explain kung paano magpunta doon. And she was just like, come here, I'll show you. Sobrang bait. Thankful talaga ako kasi papasok pa talaga siya sa mall. Paikot-ikot pa. And then, nung pinakita niya sa akin na ayun, I was just so grateful. Afternoon, it's just like an hour train. And then, magta-transfer kami. And then, another hour train. And then, pagdating namin dito, it's like 9 p.m. na. And sarado na yung cable car. So, from doon sa Gora Station, papunta dito sa pinagstayan namin. It's just like a 30-minute walk. Pero, oh my God! Hike talaga! Oh my God, nasa may bundok kami. Pakita ko sa inyo yung view later. Nasa bundok ay, Diyos ko po. Inabot kami ng mahigit 1 oras bago kami makarating dito. Sobrang sakit ng mga likod namin. Hanggang ngayon, sakit pa rin ng katawan ko. And then, kaya yesterday, nag-start na kami ng late. Like, 12 na kami nakaalis. Papunta dun sa outlet. And ngayon, maaga tayo. Dahil pupunta tayo mag-sightseeing tayo. Sakay tayo ng cruise. Punta tayo sa Owakudani Observatory ba ang tawag doon? Basta yung may plume. Punta tayo ng shrine. May shrine tayong pupuntahan and yung cafe. And then that's it. Mag-asikaso na tayo. Oh my God! I forgot. Last night, since maaga kami nakauwi, around mga 5 ata, andito na kami. Nakapag-onsen kami, like around 8 p.m. Wala akong lotion, pero oh my God, ang lambot niya sa katawan. Diba, Daddy? Ang lambot niya sa katawan. It's so nice. So, mamaya ulit mag-onsen tayo. Siguro, dalhin ko yung phone ko. Pakita ko lang sa inyo kung like, what's up with the onsen. Para lang siyang isang washroom, tapos mayroong tub doon. And yun. Ang sarap. Sana kung makauwi tayo ng maaga, makapag-onsen ulit tayo ng around 8. So, yeah, feeling ko na-explain ko na naman lahat. Kasi, feeling ko the past few days, we're just like taking videos and stuff without really like explaining what's up. Too bad. Meron kasing parang under construction kasi to, so may harang.
I didn't say we saw Mount Fuji.
Oh yeah! I almost missed yung pinaka-highlight. Yesterday's trip, yung highlight was yung Mount Fuji. Oh my God, nagpakita siya. Like, we saw the peak of Mount Fuji. Nasa loob pa lang kami nung bus. Actually, nag-post ako nun sa Instagram ko. Paglabas namin, nakita namin yung peak. Oh my God. And then, nung nasa outlet mall na kami, makikita mo pa din doon yung Mount Fuji. Kaya lang, it's always, the whole time na nandoon kami, it was covered with clouds and mafoggy na siya. Pero, nung papunta pa nga lang doon, like 12 noon, around that time, 12, mga 1, ganyan. Kata namin, yung peak, like, oh my God. We were so impressed. Like, hindi ko na-imagine na ganun kalaki ang Mount Fuji. Like, ang laki niya. Ang laki niya in person. Ang layo na namin na. Like, Hakone to. Malayo pa dun sa... Paano pa kung nagpunta tayo ng Kawaguchi ba yun? Like, that place is like real close dun sa Mount Fuji. Pero nag-Hakone lang kami. Ang ganda talaga ng Mount Fuji. Hindi ko siya in-expect na ganun siya kaganda. Akala ko parang makikita lang natin siya na maliit. But it was like, sobrang laki talaga. Ang laki niya, no? It was huge. Parang ganito kalapit. Parang feeling ko ganito siya kalapit. Itong mountain na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Ayan ang mountain niya. Ayan, yung mountain ranges na pinakita ko sa inyo. Ganyan. Parang ganyan siya kalapit. Nagulat din talaga ako. Di ko in-expect na ganyan siya kalapit. But yeah, that's it. It's 7 na. Mag-open yung Owakudani Observatory around 9. So yeah, nagutom na ako. Hindi pa rin ako kumakain. And yeah, I'll see you pag papunta na kami doon. Can we go in there? I think we can cross. I think we can, right? Look at them cross it. Mount Fuji! Do you want salt?
No, I'm not risky. This looks like...
It is salt, anak. For once, you have to believe
It looks like desiccant.
Yeah.
It is salt. You know what? The egg is actually pretty good. Eli just ate 3.
No.
That one is like 4 eggs for 500 yen. And nabitin kami, so I asked Mauro to buy more. Eli just ate 3 by himself. It's so good. I don't know what's good about it, but it tastes different, right? Or you're just hungry.
Yeah.
That's why, because you're hungry. So this one is like a bread made with mango and chocolate. So let's try this.
Yeah.
Oh, this is what it looks like. Open one.
No, it's steaming. So good.
There's bread with mango covered in chocolate. Looks like an egg. It's so good. This one's so good.
Look at that, mommy.
Japan was a dream I planned for weeks, and it's only now that I see the moments I missed. Japan taught me to slow down and to stay present. Hindi naman talaga yung attractions ang pinaka-naalala ko. It's the quiet in between that stayed with me. And surely now, I'll walk slower.